Okay, hi friends. We're here at the supermarket and doing our groceries. Okay, actually, I bought some things already that I'd like to show you later just to share some things with you. Okay, we need this. Oh no, it costs €5 just for this. €5. Now this one, €179, but still much because there are some tissue rolls that cost only €1 something. So I hope we can find that. But we will get toilet tissues. Okay, so we found the toilet tissues, one almost €2. And tissue rolls, let's take it the next time. And water, just 2 bottles because I just bought. So what do we have here? Okay, we have lettuce. We have 2 bottles of 2-liter bottles of water, tasty bread, yogurt, orange juice, mayonnaise, Ritter, our daughter's favorite, and mine, fruits. Okay, and toilet tissue. Okay friends, so this is the supermarket, and as you can see, all the supermarkets here in Italy, at least here in Rome, are equipped with these cash paying machines. So like self-paying, you don't need the cashier anymore. So that is what's happening. They are reducing the cashiers and putting more of these self paying machine. How to say that? Self-service cashier. Okay, and they reduce the cashiers in half. So that is what's happening in almost all supermarkets here in Rome. Okay, and one thing I'd like to share with you is that nowadays almost all supermarkets in Italy or in Rome are now making use of automatic payout machines. So I think due to that, more people are losing jobs and machines or robots are taking their place. So it's a sad development. There is yes, technological advancements, but sometimes it can be sad that in place of industries are saving money or want to gain more by using robots. Okay, let me show you the automatic payout machines.
Posiziona l'articolo nella busta.